Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Amilo, back with another new episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Just yesterday and 2 days ago, there is a news flying around concerning the Dubai police arresting some gangs of fake job scammers or job scammers to be short. According to report, they said that this scammer set up an organization, a company, and they take money for people to give them offer letter. Then after then, the company will be closed, the office will be closed. Now because of this, I'm going to teach you 5 steps or 5 ways of knowing a real and a fake company. 5 ways of knowing if the company is fake or real. Now the first step is this: when the job offer is too sweet. Listen, when the job offer became too sweet, that is the first step of you knowing that this company is not real. Some years ago, about 4 years ago, I was looking for a job in Dubai. I came across this company, which I won't mention the name. I applied, and the vacancy which they said they have is packing helper. Now, the packing helper, the salary which they offered me was 2,500 dirhams. Free accommodation, free food, free transportation, and provide visa for you. And deeply in my heart, I know that packing helper is somehow close to labor. And this kind of helping job, the salary is no more than 1,500 dirham. That is my number one knowledge of knowing that this job might be a scam. Then we continue. Do you know that these people said to me that I should give them 3,000 dirham for them to give me offer letter? 3,000 dirham for them to give me offer letter. On the process, we negotiate. We negotiated. Now they said I should bring 2,000 dirham. I said to them, okay, I will come back. That is when I go and I never return. Why I'm telling you this story is this: that you have to understand that not every office you go not every office you go to for an interview is actually a company. Some of them set up the office looking so nice, looking so beautiful, looking equipped, mostly Indian nationality, looking so equipped, and when you get there, you give them that money. That is the end of the story. Now, that is the first step on knowing that the job is fake. Second step is when they are quick to accept you. A real company, when you submit, first step is to submit CV. Then second step, they will call you. Third step, they will interview you. Then they will tell you to go home. They have to call you back after discussing with the management. That is the real step of a real company. But if they decided to conclude at that moment, decide to give you offer letter at that moment, ask you for money at that moment, that is where the problem starts from. Do not fall a victim. Now, the third step of knowing that this company is fake is taking money for offer letter. This is it. The most sensitive part is this: if any company at all asks you to pay money for offer letter, it is not genuine. Any company that wants to take money for visa will deduct it from your salary. Any company that wants to take money for your visa will deduct it from your salary. They will not ask you to pay cash. They will tell you that they will deduct it from your salary. That is another one. You have to be very sensitive, especially when it comes to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, bro. do not give in cash. They have to take it from your salary. Now, the fourth step is only office that you know. Listen, you understand that many recruiting agencies just has an office and they supply to companies, but you have to make a very deep and a sensitive investigation concerning this company that you are applying to. You cannot just go to an office and assume that everything is okay. Make the office look sweet. They make the office look good. But the truth is that after they're collecting money from thousands of people that apply within that month, they will close down and they will go back to their country. Be very careful. I know why I'm saying this. And the last but not the least is, if the company name is not found in website, especially in the Ministry of Labor website, if the company is not found in the Ministry of Labor website, bro, forget it. It simply means that they don't even have quota to make visa. If the company is not found online, it simply means that they don't even have a quota to make visa. Because in UAE, everything is digitalized. Anything you do in UAE is online. So everything that you have to check about a company, check it online. Maybe in my next video or in the future, I will tell you how to check a company using the Ministry of Labor app or Ministry of Human Resources and the Militarization app. I will teach you that, but you have to be very sensitive. And listen, the most important step or most important way of this ones I tell you is for you to note it down. There are only two ways, the most important two ways to know that a company is fake. This one, the number one, that is when the company offer is too sweet. And this one, the number three, when they take money from your offer letter for your offer letter, when they take cash for your offer letter, know that the company is fake. Do you understand me now? So do not fall a victim. I saw this news and I think I'll have to educate some people on how they have to be very careful, because a lot of job scammers are on ground now. A lot of job scammers are on ground now. And this is not Africans. They are not Africans. Do you understand? They are not Africans. So you have to be very careful on who you give your money. They wear white just as local. They dress good, but bro, you have to look at these steps which I give. If possible, you jot it down. Then you can meditate on it and know when you apply for a job, you know exactly when the job is real or fake. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Omilo, life in Dubai. I'm always here to tell you a little thing I know about Dubai, and the ones that you need to know, you have to drop it on the comment section. Then I will know what to talk about in my next video. If you have any question, anything at all that you want me to talk about, drop it at the comment section. I will be here next time to talk about it. I'm always here to talk about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button, because that is my only energy. You don't have to pay me for this. The only thing that you have to do for me is to support me, and the only way to support me is to subscribe to all my video, subscribe to my YouTube, and like, comment on all my video. That is all I beg for. Thanks and God bless. This is Chris Omilo, and welcome to Life in Dubai.